Raju was born in Belgavi and brought up in Dharwad. His father wanted to be a cricketer, but due to some financial issues, he wasn't able to fulfill his dream. He wanted to live his dream again, but this time through his son. And when Raju was 9, his father became his first coach. His professional training started when he was 10 under Ronald Pujar in the R.N. Shetty Stadium. He soon made it to the under 13 zonal team. In 2002, he went to Bangalore and got an admission in the Jain College, which was known for better opportunities in sports. But this wouldn't have been possible without his friend Robin Uthappa, with whom he played in the state cricket team from the age of 16 to 21. After the admission, he continued playing for the state. One evening, when he was in the temple with his father, he received a call saying, "A player is injured. We need a replacement. Please check the email we have sent and report tomorrow morning." His father couldn't believe it and asked him to confirm the news. They rushed to the nearby cyber cafe, and truly the person on the call hadn't lied. His father jumped like a little kid and told about his son's selections to almost everybody around. He was indeed the happiest father that day. Next morning, along with the other players, Raju was sitting in the bus and waiting to head to the stadium. Suddenly, the crowd got mad and began screaming. Through the window, he could see a man with a Karnataka cap coming towards the bus. As soon as the person stepped in, Raju was starstruck. He was someone they all grew up watching. Those perfect drives drove everyone crazy. He was none but Mr. Rahul Dravid, the wall. Mr. Rahul sat in the front seat and Raju couldn't stop staring. He hadn't even come back to his senses when Mr. Rahul walked up to him and gave him the debutant cap. He couldn't believe anything that was happening. He went ahead to bat and hit a straight six into the dugout to a spinner which fell right next to Rahul sir. He stood up, threw the ball and clapped, and this was one in a millionth feeling for Raju. That day he bowled 17 plus overs and Mr. Rahul shined the ball for him every single time. What better debut could anybody ask for? In 2008, Raju got a chance to play the Hong Kong Super Sixes. He played in the team Emerging Players of Karnataka against legends like Steve Smith, Finch, Morkel and others. But little did he know, something bigger was waiting for him. Raju played the D.Y. Patil tournament against star players like Rahane, Rohit and Dhawan. His century in the semi-finals opened the doors of IPL, and even before the final match, he received calls from many franchises asking for which state he played. A few senior players, G.K. Anil Kumar, Somshekhar Shirguppi and Hussain Sir, contacted Mr. Kumble and told him about Raju's excellent performance. They also insisted him to include Raju in the RCB team. In no time, Raju received a call from Mr. Kumble asking him to join RCB. Raju was more than surprised. After the finals, he won the Man of the Series award in the D.Y. Patil tournament. Now he was all set to play for the RCB in the year 2010. He was a part of the team which had gems of cricket: Gale, Vettori, Kohli, De Villiers and others. It was like a dream league. But Raju's fate had different plans. On the day one of the practice session, he was badly injured. He was advised to rest for 8 weeks and the IPL went off his hands. He was broken, and that's when Captain Daniel Vettori sat him down, reminded him of why he started playing cricket and how much hard work he had put in to get here. These words ignited him, and 5 months of pure dedication took him to the Champions League. His first game was against Kolkata Knight Riders, and Jack Scalise, his all-time favourite, bowled the first ever ball for him, to which he hit the ball to the fences. Raju was among the first 3 wicket takers, and in the finals against Mumbai Indians, he took 3 wickets. Although he couldn't make it to the further leagues, he still kept practicing and worked hard on his techniques. Slowly, his hopes were fading and he was on the verge of giving up. But his then girlfriend, now wife, reminded him, winners never quit and quitters never win. This rebuilt his confidence and he then went on to play the Karnataka Premier League and he was the sixth player to score 1000 runs. During these matches, he happened to meet Brad Haddin, whose advices blew his mind. Mr. Brad said, "Do not ever think of the past. What I said now has gone too. Only think of what is ahead." Raju had a beautiful journey and he is very satisfied with everything that life has bestowed upon him. Even today, when the kids of his colony ask him out to play, he joins them happily because cricket is his passion and something he dearly loves. He believes the universe always falls in love with the stubborn-hearted people.